Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am making jollof with chicken breast. I am going to use the chicken breast for this jollof rice. I have already blended some part of the paprika that I'm going to use. I added puree to it so that I will not feel the sour taste when I cook them. So I have already cut the chicken breast. I added thyme to it, and I added pepper, black pepper and Maggi, that is stock cube powder. I'm going to wash the rice that I'm going to use. It's already parboiled rice. So I'm going to wash it first with water, and then I am going to fry the meat. So after frying the meat, I am going to fry everything to make it brown in color. So I am using olive oil. You can use sunflower, you can use any kind of oil you want. So now I am going to pour hot water to that rice that I washed. So I cannot wash it anymore. This is the last washing that I'm going part of washing it. So I'm going to remove all the starch by adding hot water. Not all the starch, but part of the starch. So as the meat is frying, I am going to remove the meat from the pot and then set aside to start cooking the rice. So I added oil to the pot, and then I will pour the paprika. I will not add onion to this because I have grounded onions together with the paprika. So there's no point adding onion or pepper to it. So I am going to let it cook and then add rice, and then reduce the flame to avoid the rice getting burnt. Just turn them and let it cook. Just turn. I'll add bay leaf to this. So this bay leaf will make it cook fast. And I have added stock cube again. I will add stock cube to this again. I have added it, but it didn't show. So I am going to cover it. I added stock cube and thyme. Sorry, my video, I think I didn't film that part. I added cube powder, and I added and thyme to it as well. So I using this film and this aluminum foil to cover it so that it will cook fast. Yes. So after some time, after it must have started cooking, you must wash it and then just put, and I have turned it before, then I have used this paper to cover it so that it will cook with the steam. And then I am just adding the paprika that I have cut, but I set aside. This is just green paprika to just beautify it. That is it, and that is it for today. Thank you for watching my video for today, and God bless you. Bye bye. See you soon.